Hello friends and welcome back to Edureify YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today Edureify is here to provide you some help regarding your NEET 2022 exam. So here Edureify has designed this course carefully with our expert faculty and to provide the insurity to the students so that they get the best available resources and get prepared for their upcoming NEET exams confidently. So, this course strategically covers the entire syllabus of physics, chemistry, and biology to make sure that the students revisit all the important concepts with ease. So, students, before starting this video, I want you all to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that further हम जितने भी वीडियोस बना रहे हैं उसका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच जाए easily और आप हमारे वीडियोस को एक्सेस कर सकें. So as we know that here we have our learn section, practice section, online test section which you can use for doing your revisions. So here we can select our exam NEET and our subject biology and go for the chapter. So we'll sign in. You can also sign in with Google. So this topic covers discovery and history, shape and size, cytoplasm, nucleus, cell organelles, locomotion in amoeba, theories related to locomotion, and much more. So before starting with our theoretical portion, I just wanted to tell you that Edureify provides mock tests, previous year papers, and clear all the doubts. So here we start with our revision. R.V. Rosenhoff has discovered amoeba, termed it as little Proteus on the name of a god of Yunnan who was able to change his shape. Saint Vincent named amoeba, which was further changed to amoeba. Most of the species of amoeba are found in fresh water and feeds on algae and bacteria. It is present in dirty water with mud. Dry and clean leaves, grass, wheat grains are boiled in distilled water for 15 minutes. After filtration, allowed to stand for 2 to 3 days. Bacteria growth will take place. So this is a process how amoeba is formed. There are two species of amoeba. It's varicosa and strata. So when we are finished with this topic, we move on to next. Here we come. The shape and size of amoeba. Amoeba is a microorganism. Size varies from zero point 0.2 mm to zero point 0.6 mm. It is a colorless and transparent. Shape is variable because pseudophoria are continuously forming and disappearing, and also because pellicle is absent. सो फ्रेंड्स एज यू कैन सी कि बायोलॉजी में बहुत सारी डेफिनेशंस होती हैं लर्न करने के लिए और बहुत ही छोटे छोटे टर्म्स होते हैं जिनको आपको रिमेंबर करके रखना होता है. तो एड्यूरीफाई इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन दिस. यू डोंट हैव टू प्रिपेयर एनी नोट्स. Simply go through the topic wise revision from this and you can see how much topic you have covered. It's been shown over here. You are currently on second topic consisting of 21 topics, and you can save any notes you want to make. Click on the save button and it gets saved. So students, do your NEET preparations with Edureify and get the accurate and attempt result. So Edureify karo, padhai karo. Thank you.